Hello, dear viewers. Really happy to be with you once again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Shirzad. You know who is my guest? A little student. So let's talk about his talent, the English language he's learned, the way he's speaking about English language. My student, Mr. Nurullah. Thank you for giving us a chance, for giving us the time. So welcome to my program.
Thank you.
So first, could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Nurullah Umari and I'm son of Nakibullah Umari. I'm from Kandahar province and I'm 13 years old. I'm not totally 13 years old, but 3 months after I'll be 13 years. And I'm from Kandahar province and I live in Aino town. And I go to Rohila Private High School and I study English at Roshia Private Center.
Really good. Look at this speaking way. The way he's speaking is really confident. So how you could get English language? I mean, how you can speak English language?
First, when I start the English language, I started at Roshia Private Center. First, I studied when I was 8 years. My father told me about the English language. I didn't know what the language is, but my father told me English is a language, is an international language, and it's very important to a human. And if you, for example, if you don't have a business, you can do a business by your English. English is very important, so I started English from the Rishad Private Center when I was 10 years. And I started with a teacher which has a name of Samiullah Khadim. And he told me about the English that I haven't heard from another one. He was a very intelligent student. I like him, and he's teaching really well. I haven't been a student with another teacher like him.
How about your father, the knowledge father? Is he educated person?
Yeah, my father has graduated from the school and he hasn't studied university, but he's very great in English. He's better than me.
So tell me something about the practice part. So my question is this, that how much do you practice about English language?
I practice in English language once a day. When I go to home and when I take an ablution and offer my prayer in the mosque, and after that I'm gonna eat my lunch and I'm gonna practice on English yet for an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
And about you watching and listening part, so how much do you watch and listen to the native speaker, about the accent, about some other structures, about sentences to make that and build your English as well?
Actually, a few months ago, I was I watched a lot of videos and I listened to them. When I watched them at 9 o'clock in the evening. They're so great for you to practice your English. And I watched them a few months ago, but I'm not after that now.
So right now, what about your favorite subject in the school? As you can speak a lot about grit, you can speak really perfectly about English language. So talk about your favorite subject in the school.
First, I'm in 8th grade at school, but my favorite subject is I like that very much, and I'm intelligent in that subject. The first one is biology.
Biology,
Yeah,
you like?
biology.
Do you want to be a doctor?
I don't think so, but I haven't decided.
And next time you're going to decide about
Yeah,
that.
I haven't decided about that.
In the current time, about your busy schedule, talk about that. So without practicing English language, the best. So tell me something about your other hobbies or hobbies. What do you do others in the day?
When I will usually wake up at 6 o'clock when I offer my prayer, and then the mosque I come and read the Al Quran, and I sleep again, and the next time I'm gonna wake up at 8 o'clock, and at 8:30 I'm going to school, and I come from school to home at 12:00, and I'm gonna take an ablution and offer my prayer at 12:45, because the evening's prayer is on that time. And after that, I'm gonna eat my lunch, and I'm gonna practice the English. And after that, I'm gonna sleep or sit and.
Right,
yeah.
that's good. So what about your favorite food?
My favorite food, to tell you, I like the biryani very much.
Biryani is your
yeah.
favorite.
Yeah.
Do you know it's harmful for the body, for the health?
Yeah, I know that, but it's very tasty.
So in other words, talk about your favorite sports.
My favorite sport, to tell you, I'm a cricketer, but I like to. In practicing, I like to practice cricket. But in watching, I like football best than.
You're watching football, but you do cricket.
Yeah.
That's right. It's good. So, and about your favorite speaker in the world?
My favorite speaker is The Rock.
The Rock.
Yeah.
Who is that?
He's an
Is he
actor.
a singer or a speaker?
No, he's an actor.
An actor.
Yeah.
And about the Afghanistan cricket, who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Azmatullah Marzi,
Why?
because he's a batsman and he's a bowler too. He's also a bowler.
He does well in the performance.
Yeah,
It's great.
he's great.
So finally, as the program is kind of good to be over, so talk about the students. Talk about the students. They are making excuses, not gonna do something better for the future and for the lesson, for the family, for himself. So talk about for those who are making excuse, what should they do to bring learning process?
First, when your father tells you to go to school or center, and a lot of Afghanistan, the people, when their father tell them to go to school, but they don't go to school, they tell their father to, I'm going to school, but they go to a picnic or anything else like that. So you should go to your school on time. That's not the right thing that you are going to your school or center late, so the teacher will be upset from you, and he won't give you any marks in your test. And education is very better. You can use it everywhere. If you are graduated from center, school and university, if someone asks you about your education, you'll tell, I've graduated from everything. So he can give you a job, and you can find a job online. You can find a job in another province or in.
You mean
Canada.
students must try hard
Yeah.
to do the best. It's great.
Yeah,
Thank you very much for giving us the time to be with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Little student. Thank you. Here we go. See, this is a little students. My students, Mr. Nurullah, and one of the talented student in the top-notch 3A class. I'm really inspired from this little man, and that's because I just made him to come, and I got him to come be with us to interview with me about the English language and to say something better for the student, that they're gonna make excuse. They're gonna do something better and try the best to have a great future. Thank you very much for joining us and watching this video, and subscribe to the channel and be with us for the next video. Thank you very much.